Precision starts here. Inside Icon Loft, every steel door is built with accuracy, speed, and consistency in mind. From certified European steel to CNC laser cutting and drilling, each frame is shaped for millimeter precision and effortless installation. Our 20 by 40 millimeter ultra-slim profiles define the Icon Loft look. Minimal sightlines, maximum strength. Hardware fits into CNC-cut openings for perfect alignment. For Europe, we ship weekly to Netherlands, Belgium, UK, and Germany. For the USA, doors are crate-packed and ocean-shipped. Expect 6 weeks fabrication and 4 to 5 weeks logistics to ports like New York, Florida, or Texas. Get precision-built steel doors delivered on schedule. Icon Loft Steel Doors, custom-made, dealer-ready.